Check out this house for 15,000 euro. Now the front doors do have windows in them. The shutters are closed right now, but you'll have them open during the day, so there'll be plenty of sunlight downstairs. The arch is amazing. It has a full kitchen. There is a refrigerator around the corner you'll see in a second, but beautiful. See how thick those walls are of the arches? And then you turn around and another arch. I'd put the dining table back in there and then have this kind of cove as a living room, but I can't believe it. Right here, you're going to find the refrigerator. Now, there was a washing machine in the other room. I put it right next to there. Not sure why this isn't just like a utility room. Now, the bathroom downstairs does need some work. Everything's there that you need, but I don't understand the whole baby bathtub thing. But there is a full bathroom upstairs. Up the stairs, again, marble. The hand railing's really nice to have. When you go up the stairs, you'll see to the left there's a railing, and then right there's another room. So again, the railing's on the left here. You walk back, full bathroom. Nice and big, space to move. So you're not as urgent to try to fix what's going on downstairs. There is a balcony here, and it's off the bedroom. So here we go. That's going to be the front door right underneath. And now looking at this room again, it is a huge space. The ceilings are about 12 feet high, and check out the roof. The space is incredible. It does have an air conditioning unit here and downstairs, but to be honest, I don't know if they work. But see where this railing is again? That's where, if you wanted to, you could have a 2-bedroom, put a wall right there, and then frame it, have a door, if you're wanting to. But if, you're a couple or a single, just have it as your room, and this other room next door is the spare. There's so much furniture in here, I kind of got a little shaky, but it is a medium-sized bedroom and perfect for a guest area or the second bedroom. Now, if you like this house, check out the YouTube page. It'll have information on where to find the agent, any other additional information I have on it, and updates when it's sold.